Exercise 1, the Y buzz siren. The Y buzz is the sensation of the E sound as a buzz or vibration on the gum ridge. Right here on the gum ridge, right above the front teeth, you feel a little buzz of the E there. Concentrate on feeling the vibration of a pure E sound on the roof of the mouth, just above the front teeth on the gum ridge. E, E, E. You should be able to feel vibration in the teeth as well as on the gum ridge. E, 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 E. And let your lips pout forward a little bit. E, like that. That helps focus the sound waves right onto the gum ridge. E. Very good. Now, siren up in pitch. E, E. Siren up and siren down. E, E. E. Siren down. E. Up again. E, E. When you siren up, you'll feel the vibration move from the gum ridge up to a little bit higher. Right? A little bit higher up on the roof of the mouth. As you siren down, you'll feel the vibration moving back down onto the gum ridge, just above the teeth. And you may feel the teeth themselves vibrating a little. E, 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 E. So do that little pout, E, E, the Y buzz lip position, and siren up. E, E. Now let's do it more gradually, a slow siren up. Then we'll take a breath and siren down. E, E. And go back down into that little lip position, that little pout when you get in the low pitch. Once again, E, E. You feel that little arc of vibration going back on the roof of the mouth and then coming back down again. It makes a little arc there. Once again, E, 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 E. Once again, E, E. Good. All right.